Today, we're taking a quick look at the Infinix Hot 7.0i to see what it really offers and whether it's worth your attention in 2026. The phone features a large 6.76-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate and up to 950 nits of brightness. It runs Android 16 with XOS 16 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7100, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. You can also add a microSD card for cameras. There's a 50MP main sensor with PDAF and video recording up to 144p. Plus an 8MP front camera. The Hot 7.0i also brings stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an FC, an infrared port, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C with OTG. But one of the biggest highlights is the battery. Depending on the version, you get 5,600 or 6,000 milliamp hours with 45 West fast charging and 10 West reverse wired charging. There's also bypass charging, which can be useful during long gaming sessions, and there's more. IP68 water and dust resistance adds extra protection, while the 144Hz display and Dimensity 7100 make the phone promising for everyday use and gaming. So, is the Infinix Hot 7.0i actually worth buying? The combination of performance, battery life, display, and features makes it a very interesting option. What do you think about the Hot 7.0i? Would you choose it over other smartphones in this price range?